I don't even think her name's Betsy. She's never told me her name, and she loves being abused, okay? That definitely didn't get rained on last night 12 times. You know, I'm no Fordologist or Mustang connoisseur of sorts, but I could tell you, V6 Mustangs do not have posi rear ends. Well, that's nice and hot. Definitely didn't do a burnout first thing this morning, or evening, whatever you want to fucking call it. Yeah. She has fucking turn downs for what? So it blows all the smoke that way. So that's cool.